Hello, welcome to OIC English Podcast 2. Hi, my name is BJ. And today, we're gonna look at some English words which we often mispronounce. As you can see, wow, there's so many. However, we're gonna look at some of them today. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let's go then. Alright, how do you say this first word?
I don't know.
Well, good try. Now, try again. Repeat after me. Error.
Okay, error.
What about this next one?
Okay, honesty. Honesty?
Well, not that. It's actually honesty. Honesty with no H sound. Okay, be careful with this one.
Alright, honesty.
Very good. Okay, try the next one. Right. What about this? How would you say it?
Cover?
No, it's cover. Cover. Now try it. Cover.
Cover.
Very good. Okay, next is a place. What do you call this place?
I think I know. Iceland.
Nice try, but this word, there's no S sound. It's island. Island.
Okay, island.
Perfect. Alright, let's see the next one. Next is something that can burn you if you touch it.
I think I know. Fire.
Well, you gave me the correct answer, but that's not how it sounds. It's fire. Fire.
Okay, fire.
Very good. Okay, let's look at the last word.
I think I know again. Spy.
Oh, well, nice try, but try this one. Style. Style.
Okay, style.
Perfect. Now, we're gonna have a short review before we go. Error. Honesty. Cover. Island. Fire. Style. Alright, don't forget to keep practicing. We'll see you again in our next podcast. Bye.